one, put on.
Put on your dress. Put on your skirts. Put on your shoes. Put on your hat. Put on your joggers. Put on your t-shirt. Put on your socks.
Good job. The next one. Let's read.
It is sunny. When is sunny? I often wear a hat.
Good. The next one. When
it's rainy, I often wear a jacket and joggers.
Good job. Tell me what animal it is.
It's easy.
It's a sheep.
Eat a sheep. Eat a hog. Eat a cow. Eat a goat. Eat a duck. Eat a frog. Eat a turkey. Eat a hen.
Very good. Now, let's count. How many legs does a goat have?
It got 4 legs.
How many legs does a turkey have?
It got 2 legs.
Good job. Look and say I like or I don't like.
I like pizza. I like banana. I like burger. I don't like rice. I don't like chicken. I don't like hot dogs. I don't like fish. I don't like eggs.
Okay. Good. Choose a or an for each word. Number 1.
A hat. An picadoo. An axe. A bread.
A peach.
A peach. An iguana. A rose.
Good job. So how many types of noun have we learned?
5.